I really want to wear my Echo Stage hat to Pennsylvania. Where's my Brooklyn hat? See my hat? There it goes. First day of our van life build. Unfortunately, we have to drive back to this hellhole we call Pennsylvania for us to start ripping it apart. However, I did just email a potential sponsor back about a refrigerator for it. So things are looking up already. See y'all in Pennsylvania.
Shoot this motherfucker!
Look at the light test, and then when I nail it.
Sharks in water.
We're gonna put a mobile studio office Airbnb in a van and camper. So wish us luck. I have no idea how to do this. So here's day one. We're going down to get some fluids topped off. The van needs a power steering pump. So we're gonna pressure wash out the inside and then take it over to my buddy Burns, who's a picker. And we're gonna try to scavenger hunt as much of the building material as we can. So let's get a tour of the van. Voila, this is Bruce. Bruce needs a bath. Oh shit.
A lot of TLC.
This will be easy, dude. Yeah, I see a hole in the floor mat already. This is gonna be fun. Oh my god, it's so dirty in here. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, it's dirty. Oh my god, it's dirty. Ah!
Bruce is gross. I would open up a window or two.
Oh god, it's crank windows. Fuck. What the fuck is rattling back there? Tyler, if you see this, I fucking appreciate this so much. I'm so stoked to have this van, not even gonna lie. What the fuck? I have no idea what the fuck is happening. This is the second time. It just shakes like fucking hell. What the fuck is going on? And then it goes back to normal. So we're gonna raid most of his stuff to build it.
I got drafting tables, this workbench, these pieces down here.
Oh yeah. I went ahead and like took this like rust converter bullshit, sprayed it in all the spots that were rusting. Don't judge me, it looks like shit. I will make this suitable and not embarrassing. Watch me. Brief break while I chug this Red Bull. We use U.S. Postal Service boxes to make a template just so we can fold the edges up and not fight with them so much. So we laid some cardboard down to cut a piece of plywood for the floor. Beep beep! You know how much I love recklessly riding in vehicles with no safety harness. The floor. Room for me now.
Comma and a comma, gotta get it. Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it.
Yeah. Hey, shower. And it sticks to you. Just, it's on everything.
I got a blower.
Yeah, it's fucking ready.
I'm a freak. Can you fuck on me? I'm a freak. Can you fuck on me? I'm a freak. Pretty girl, can you fuck on me?
My friends. So we didn't have the proper tools for the job. We started cutting the floor with a Sawzall. So now we actually came to actually get a jigsaw and stuff.
So
We
there's
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest.
yeah, that was my Barbie house from when I was like 6.
Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. Comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it.
How do you feel about Flexio?
I feel like it took like her fucking skin off is what I did. Like my fingers, like when I pulled it off of my finger, I feel like it took an entire layer of... Dude, do I have an entire roll of this somewhere? I feel like I have a roll of this somewhere. Bro, what in the fuck?
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma.
Let's make this official. Okay.
Look at my message.
Alright. Oh, relax. Relax.
Okay.
Jesus, man. Alright, baby. Alright, leaving that in. Alright.
We know you're
Okay. Signature of witness. Barely.
print name accurate.
Hold that.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma.
Alright.
Do the damn thing.